Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft error code 1. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up a CruciForge and click on Minecraft over here and select the three dot icon and select repair installation. After the repair installation you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now double click on the .minecraft folder. Now find the versions folder. Delete everything listed over here just by right click on them and select delete it. After doing it, go back to Minecraft and now find the mods folder. Double click on it. Delete everything inside here. After doing it, just close stuff here. Now open up your launcher and reinstall the versions again and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall your program. You just need to find Java. Just right click on the Java and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just close stuff here and open up browser. Search Java download and select the first link. Scroll down, select download Java option and select the setup file and install it. After the installation done, you can play the Minecraft without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.